All right, so I'm detecting in the woods, and I noticed something unusual over here, but I want to see if you guys think of it. Stumbled upon an artillery position. So if you look, kind of the hill kind of rotates that way, and then it stops. That would have been an artillery position right there. Going that direction. Cool. I'm gonna hit this another bullet signal in the hole. Let's get it together. Here we go. Where are you? Oh, there it is. 3-ring dropped mini ball. I'll take it. All right, I think I got another bullet in the dirt pile. Let's see what we got. Oh, what do we got here? A cartridge box finial. Looks like. Sweet, that's 3 for the day. All right, I got another bullet, I think. Sounds like a bullet. I think it's a bullet. It's a bullet. 3-ringer. All right, I'll take it. All right, guys. I found a belt buckle over here on Friday, and I got another one. Let's get it together. Let's see what's on it. Belt buckle, baby. I think I dinged it with my shovel, dang it.
It was deep.
US, baby.
Nice, brother. Good job. Good job.
Thanks.